filming.
Yeah, okay.
Alright guys. Oh, can you do it a portrait, please? Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the booth.
So this is attached here and here, so I think we just prise these off.
Oh yeah. Actually, I didn't think it would come off that easy. Wow. Oh.
So,
Okay. Well, that does it. Yep. Oh, and I'm just warning you that the lift gets bumpy. There'll be 3 bumps going up. So just brace yourself. You're the photographer. Oh wait, no, not photographer.
now we're going to tell you what the combination is here.
Free sound booth if you can find it.
Ta da 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 da. There we go.
I'll set this again. So just a bit of an update. We're halfway through bringing the panels upstairs, and I think we're making good progress. We have the big ones left now. So I think we're going to put them on the trolleys again. So Ian's just gone to put something back in the car, and yeah, I thought I'd show you what we've done so far. This is all that's left to be put away. So, we're getting there, almost done. Lots of progress has been made, and yeah, these are, looks like the walls. And we finally found this trolley. I was looking for it, and I thought they had one, but somebody else was using it. But he was nice enough to let us use it after him. Ian?
Thanks for your kindness.
That's a cool shot with the elevator closing. It's surprising that it's not. Yeah, when it has weight on it, it doesn't do the bump, because normally the elevator like jumps.
Yeah. It's still young and frisky.
That's right. It has lots of energy. Take it away. Last one for the day. This is going to be so cool when it all gets put together.
I think we're probably going to have to assemble it in the aisle outside.
You think? Go, go, go.
To assemble it inside, you would need to move all the parts somewhere to make room for this.
Yeah.
So you can start assembling it on the space. So I think you've either got to probably move all your panels out, put this in, down, and then start construction inside, or park this outside
Yeah.
and be putting it up.
Well, it depends how big the base is, right?
Yeah.